Good morning, students. Student of class 6. In this video, we will take the line by line explanation of the poem. As you know, in this poem, there is a child who loved his freedom. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. Gong means a circular object. एक बड़ा सा जो घंटा होता है स्कूल में. Now the child's time is 10 in the morning. He reached school by lane. Lane means street. He walked to school by the lane. Every day when he goes to school, every day he met the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. Hawker vendor. He met a hawker who sells his bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. When the child saw him at that time, he watched that there is no hurry. There is no road he must take. He has no fixed road that he had to go. No place he must go to. No time when he must come. And there is no time when he has to return. I wish I were a hawker. In this poem, the poet wished that he would be a hawker so that he could spend his time in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. Now see, second stanza. When he returns from the school, it is the time at 4 in the afternoon he came back from the school. I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. And now, when he returns from the school at 4 o'clock, at that time, he saw that there was a gardener who is digging, taking out the soil from the earth. He does what he likes. He also observed that the gardener does what he wanted to do. Spade, it is a tool to dig. He soils his clothes, he spreads dust here and there. There is no one to ask him if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. There is no one who asks him not to do that, and he is free to go into the sunshine or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener. Now the poet wishes that he wanted to be a gardener who can dig away the garden, and there would be nobody would stop him from digging the ground. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. When it is the evening time, then her mother asks her to go to bed, ask him to go to bed. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. At that time, he could see a watchman who is walking up and down the street. The lane is dark and lonely. The street is dark at that time, that no one was there, but the watchman was there, and the street lamp looks like a giant. Giant here is simile, like word is used, whereas or like word is used for the comparison. At that time there is a simile, with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings means moves his lantern. At that time he had one lantern in his hand, and he swings it, he moves it, and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once go to bed in his life. And at night time he does not go to bed. I wish I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. And now the poet says that he wanted to become a watchman so that He could walk into the street all the time, chasing, going after the shadows with his lantern. So, students, you have seen in this poem the child wanted freedom. He loved freedom, and he was three persons. First, to whom? First, he was the hawker, second is the gardener, and third is the watchman. And he thinks that they are free to go anywhere. And as you know, the poet of this poem is Rabindranath Tagore.